In this video, I'll show you how to add Metro card to your Apple Wallet. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so if you're planning to store your Metro card digitally in Apple Wallet, it will allow for swift and convenient access to public transportation. Instead of, fumbling for the physical card, you can quickly use your iPhone or even your Apple Watch to tap and pay at transit terminals. So I've done this and it's very convenient. Say for example, for faster entry, I'm using Apple Wallet for my Metro card and it can speed up my entry to transit systems, all right? Simply, I'm just tapping my device on the reader and it should register for your fare payment, reducing the time spent at entry points. All right, so how do we link our Metro card to Apple Wallet? Simply log into both of your accounts. If you are here at metrocardclub.com and go to your mobile device, open the wallet app. And this is where the magic happens. All right. Simply go to the add button plus on your home screen of your Apple Wallet. Tap the transit card right here, right? And you need to locate the Metro card on the options, all right? If you see the Metro card option, click on it, all right? And after doing so, the card issuer will verify some information and they might ask you to provide more information or even to download an app before approving your card for use with Apple Pay, all right? And I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.